Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another setup for you today. This is a monthly setup in my Fauxbonichi using my March monthly kit. This is available in my shop now. It's based on my kit Always Be You, so it's got lots of kind of spring vibes with the bees and the butterflies and daffodils and tulips, and that's the second page. So I'll quickly show you my February month. So this is how February is looking. Kind of obviously things get added as the month goes on. So here we go. I'm going to stop talking and start sticking. So here we are, here's my final monthly setup. Sorry if my video cut out at any point. The storage was running low and I've had to delete some old videos and stuff. Anyway, so this is my monthly layout for March. It's a little bit confusing because of the way the month sits in the calendar. So the 30th and 31st should be down here. Obviously there's no room. So what I've done is I put 30 and 31 up here. So the month starts here, goes all the way down, then hits here and goes back to these two. Got quite a few birthdays in March. Got my daughter's, my nan's and my sister-in-law's birthday, and then on the 30th it's my husband and I's, it's my husband and mine wedding anniversary, so that's in there too. I've got deco, sticky notes, and these half boxes, and bilges, some coffee cups, another payday, and some movie stickers to go in if I need them for the month. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to pop these in the back of my journal because they fit really nicely in there, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!